Hey guys, welcome back to E-Rebuilds, guys. So today's Saturday morning, guys. So we're taking the bad boy Charger on the road today, guys. Hopefully don't run into any cops. Guys, as you see the Charger just there parked up. Hardly get drive, guys. So we're taking it on the road today. Isn't that Charger awesome? Guys, so we're gonna start our journey now with the Dodge Charger. I'll bring the seat back. It's a little chilly, guys. Guys, the camera might shake a little bit. You gotta be careful with the cops. Man, this car feels so sweet, man. I'm telling you. It's like when you start to drive it, man, I don't like to drive this car at all because it'll get you in trouble. Pull up and get some gas. So guys, we try not to make this car too loud for the exhaust because it's already a magnet for the police already. So the cops, they already pulled us over. So more than one occasion they pulled us over. So you know, with the exhaust not too loud, you know, that helps a lot. Because these cars is like magnet for the police, for the cops. So you gotta be very careful when you drive these cars, because you can easily get in trouble. You gotta be looking around. Sitting up on the side of this road right here. Guys, you can get a little bit of shake from the camera because I got it mounted on the glass. So guys, there's my favorite little Nissan Spot, Z1 Motorsports, guys. This guy with his BMW running next to me, I'm gonna give him a little run. I don't know. next to me with a BMW. Boy, you better keep quiet. I'm gonna just let him get ahead. Oh, it's an old boy, so he ain't really want nothing. Let me just let him go ahead. Beam will look nice too. Let's sit up in the back end. Let me see if he can punch that, so I can run him down. Calm and cool and collected. Alright, there you go. Right, I kind of think he's warming up. I think I'm getting him warmed up. There you go now. So I backed off. So there you go. Open up that BMW, man. Come on, let's see what you got in there. Time I drive this car, it sounds sweeter and sweeter every day, man. Let's just tease that guy with that BMW so if he can move. Guys, don't underestimate this RT, you know. This RT, get up now. And we got a lot of work to do to this RT, guys. Well, both cars. See, he got a temp tag on the back, so he just bought it, so he just cruising. They gotta watch for the cops. Said, don't get me. They be sitting up on the side of the road. Look at this fool right here. Man, that's why you gotta be careful when you're driving, man, because these guys will pull over in front of you. Be so careful with these guys. So guys, on the left of me, that's where the state troopers be sitting up. That's their base. So you gotta be very careful out here. And they don't waste their time to haul you in. Yeah, guys, so, man, the Charger feel nice, guys. Don't worry about the coat. You know, it's a little chilly, so, or the guy with the BMW got his window down. I don't know. Oh, he tell me drop the window. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, I saw that. I saw you. I look at the tag. I said, "Oh, he don't want to run because I know." I see he just got it, so he don't want to rough it up. All right, cool, man. Guys, that's the guy with the BMW. He told me, man, it's still new. He don't want to break it in. Well, you should have break it in. You got that M3. Come on, open it up. Let's see what you got in there. Yeah. Don't baby it. That's where the Dodge is out at the Predator. Open up the BMW, man. Let me see what you're working with. Might encourage me to buy a BMW. Guys, I love cars, man, you know. It was always a passion of mine. You know. Oh, I see the cops right on the side of the road, guys. Look, see right there? Tell you gotta be careful now. Whoa. Man, they would have got me. I tell you, they'll be tucked in. They'll be tucked in, boy. So you gotta be very careful. And they don't play. See all these nice highways, man. These cars to be tucked in, but you want to open up these cars, man. You want to run them, but you got to be very careful, man. They'll slap you with a ticket, and they'll impound your shit. They're not only with your ticket, they'll take you out of it too. It, you'll be closing that gap fast. Guys, that's why I really don't like to drive these cars, man. They'll get you in trouble. I'm telling you. You know, both the Nissan and the Dodge. Man, just give me a little Honda or Toyota. Let me just ride through the week. And you know, on a weekend I'll probably pick up one of these toys and have a little fun, but you know, I'll be very careful, you know. Because I don't need no cop pulling me over right now and impounding my shit, and they'll impound it for sure. Right up here now, you got cops now sitting. They'll be tucked in on the left side, right in that patch of grass, trees right there. So you gotta be very careful now. They'll come out on you.